What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and like from the title, you see what we're about to do today. About to lock in. Let the vlog begin. Like, I can care less about. Alright, so here's the situation. So we got my girlfriend's ring light here. Shout out to Amanda. Make sure you guys go drop a follow for her and all that stuff right here. But anyway, we got the ring light here, and we got this dirty carpet. It's awful, what I'm trying to say. Basically, we're gonna try to clean this up today. We got a vacuum. I went and got some cleaning stuff. In fact, hold on. So just so we're clear, in a previous video, I showed you guys that I got this Ritz dye. It's black dye. I actually got 2 of them here. That way we can actually get all of these done. From what I was researching, that just one of these bottles with some hot water is supposed to be able to do like just about a whole car, but I got 2 to be safe, and if I end up being short, then I just had to order more. But for now, we got these 2. Also, this is going to be for my people who are on a budget. If you guys are trying to do this and you don't have the money to get a bunch of stuff, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. Go here, the dollar store. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that at all. What a lot of people don't know is you can go to the dollar store and get a lot of stuff that you need, and I'm really needing a lot of stuff. So for doing this, I need to have a spray, which I was able to find a full spray bottle, and they had a bunch of them, like literally stacks of them sitting out there. They say you need a sponge so you can rub it in there. Literally a pack of kitchen sponges, literally 2 of them. I got 2 because one is gonna be for me to be able to wipe and clean this all up. The other one's gonna be for the dye. And just like I said, for cleaning up, we got this carpet stuff. Love my carpet. It's literally like dollar store off-brand BS, but it's literally carpet cleaner. If this works, it works. If it doesn't, then I'll just go buy some more. But I'm pretty confident that this stuff will work. I mean, literally it's carpet cleaner. You just spray this on, vacuum it up, and then on the back it says that if you spray it and it doesn't come up, then you can just scrub it in, which is why I have the other set of sponges. Because listen, at the end of the day, I'm not a huge YouTuber with a lot of money in a giant warehouse with like 80 cars. Not yet, at least. So we gotta do what we gotta do, man. I got bills to pay. So right now, at this very moment, I'm gonna make it work. First things first, we gotta clean this up. We're gonna spray with the carpet spray. I'm really not gonna just spray and vacuum. I'm literally gonna vacuum it first, spray it all down, rub it all in there, just to make sure we can really get all the nitty gritty out of it. And then that way we can go ahead and start painting it and dyeing it. Alright, so the majority of the vacuuming is done. You can just see the difference already just from vacuuming it. All that black stuff you guys saw was literally from my floor mats, and that's one of the reasons why I'm getting brand new ones. All those little fibers and stuff were breaking off of that bottom of that floor mat, so I'm just like, bruh, got it all vacuumed out. We're gonna go ahead and take the cleaner. I'm gonna just spray the entire thing down, like get it from every inch possible, and then rub it all in and make sure it's nice and, you know, in there, getting it as deep clean as much as possible. That's what you wanna do, is to make sure this is nice and clean before you put the dye and stuff into it. And you really wanna just get in there, so. Now, I don't know what that red spot is, but that's like blowing me. I don't think it's gonna show up, obviously, because I'm going black. And it's not like candy or anything like that. Like, I was really looking at it, I thought it was sticky, but it's not. I literally don't know what that is. This is the first one we originally did. I'm just waiting for it to dry properly. Once it's fully dried out, then we'll go ahead and do the dye. But for now, I just want to wait for it to kind of dry out and be taken care of. So that should be done within like an hour, maybe 2. And the same thing for this one since I just did it. So we're gonna have to give this one a little bit of time, and then we'll come back to it once these are all done. So yeah, we'll be right back. Man, this is the moment of truth. I'm really nervous right now, but I also got the back plate to this piece right here. That way we don't have to worry about staining anything, because it's literally black stain. Like, this stuff is gonna get everywhere. So here we go.
Depot on the beat.
Alright, so far so good. Low key, it's coming out nice. Low key. Now, it's supposed to dry, and when it dries, that's when it really sets, and then you'll really be able to see the difference. But I have to do a couple more coats because I only did like one kind of spray around, but I'm gonna really just do like maybe 1 or 2 more, and just, I gotta keep rubbing it in, really make sure I really get it in there. But I mean, right now it kind of looks cool. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera well. Like in real life, it kind of not still looks, but it looks black. I can definitely see the black, but it's also like kind of like an off. Like I feel like I can still see the tan, you know what I mean? But I think maybe once it like dries up, it will kind of darken itself. But so far so good. I mean, this is the only thing that didn't, you know, dye like it's supposed to. I don't think it's going to, unfortunately. I can just spray paint this if I need to. But man, I mean, tell me what y'all think, bro. I'm gonna do another coat really quick and we're gonna see what's up.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ. You already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like. So just, you know, click right there. That's all you gotta do. And then scroll on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out.
The more I let it sit, the more it looks good, but I also got a new setup. I got this blanket around me too, because it did get a little messy. I was keeping it clean for a little bit, but then it started getting crazy. But we're doing good now. Like, so far it really does look like it's going black. I had to put more dye in and heat up some more water. Plus I also missed all this right here, so we're really gonna lock in and get us going. Alright people, so this is what we got going on right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, it kind of looks good. Maybe I'm wrong, but right now it looks good. Let me pull this up right next to it just so you guys can really see. Now again, I could be wrong, but please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think we did good with this or not? Because right now I'm feeling it. I feel like this looks awesome. Of course, you see those little dark spots here. Honestly, this all is like kind of dried up. It's not fully dry obviously, but it's drying up quicker, and so that's why this looks darker than what it's supposed to be. Majority of what I sprayed is just about all darkened where it needs to be. There are a few spots that I still see that I need to spray that I'm gonna just go over one more time. But honestly, bro, it looks good. Like, I'm not tripping, right? Like, please tell me, comment down below right here at this moment of this video and let me know if I'm tripping. All right, so I let it sit. It looks nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, compared to what it used to look like, I mean, even right here you can see that's what the carpet used to look like, and that's what it looks like now. It looks really good, like really good. But we're gonna do this one now. That way they're both done, just these two, and then tomorrow I'm gonna clean and do this one, the big one. Shouldn't be too much of a problem, but yeah, let's do this next one and then go from there. man, it's the next day. What's going on? So far, it looks good. Like, y'all can see it, bro. It's black. Like, it's black. Look, that's what it used to look like. It's black. Now today, we're doing the big boy. This is the final piece to the puzzle. Once we dye this and this completely dries, we're putting these back in. Like, it's just that simple. Like, let's get to it. I don't know how to explain this. Yesterday I got home from work and literally was like, you know what? About to go ahead and finish doing that, get it done, boom, boom. I get home from work, mind you, literally lay down, put my pajamas on and everything, fall asleep, and I don't wake up till the very next day. I went to bed at like 4 o'clock and I woke up and it was 5 in the morning. Like, I literally slept the entire day. The whole day went by. I slept. I still got my pajamas on. So we're gonna rock the pajamas while we finish doing all this and getting this all painted. I gotta heat up some more water so that way we can make sure the dye and everything's good to go. And yeah, let's get it. All right, we're done, man. It looks so good, bro. It looks so good. Again, comment down below and tell me what you guys think. I think we did a great job with that. So let me show you my little dry station really quick. This is my girlfriend's room. I'm not gonna show too much of it, obviously. I have my rear seats and my panels here to keep this off of the carpet so it doesn't stain the carpet or anything like that. But I have these sitting out here right out front of my apartment with the windows wide open, so that way the sun can just cook these things and make sure they're nice and dry. And I put these out like a day and a half ago, the last time we were recording, just so they can properly dry, and they've been sitting for a long time, and literally to the touch they're completely dry. Like, I don't feel anything is wet, any wet spots or anything like that. Even when I rub it like that, see, still stays black. So I think we're pretty good. But we're gonna swap these out for the big one so the big one can dry. I might spray these down one more time and then we'll see how the big one dries and then go from there. But man, we are just about done. This looks crazy. Like, I got black carpet now.